Pro Bike Tool CO2 Inflator with Cartridge Storage Canister. Get back riding quickly with super fast and reliable tire inflation. Inflate a tire in seconds with our one-turn valve system. Control lever operation regulates speed of CO2 release for precisely controlled inflation. Secure and safe screw-on valve connection delivers no leaks when inflating. Designed for threaded cartridges only. Small, compact and lightweight. Let's see it in action. The canister is cold. Make sure to protect your hands before take them off.